Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how I cook my sesame noodles. I love udon, so basically I'm be cooking sesame udon. The ingredients include 1 pound udon, 3 cloves of garlic minced, and 1 tablespoon ginger minced. To prepare the sauce, we pour 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/3 cup low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 1 or 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Then we whisk the sauce mix well. Then we need to prepare the udon. We cook the udon in salted boiling water according to the instruction on the packet. Then we drain and cool the udon and then we set it aside. Okay, the cooking part. First we heat 2 tablespoons sesame oil over medium-high. We saute the garlic and ginger till fragrant. That takes about 30 seconds. Then we add the sauce. We cook the sauce till it bubbles, and when it bubbles, we add the udon noodles. We stir and coat the udon well. We cook the udon noodles for 2 minutes. And we can add 1 teaspoon chili paste or sriracha sauce if you like. And we cook the udon noodles for 1 to 2 more minutes. And when the noodles is done, we plate the udon noodles. We then garnish the udon with sesame seeds and with the options of fried shallots, shredded carrots, and scallions. We serve the delicious sesame udon noodles. Hope you will try this recipe out and hope you enjoy the dish. If you do, try it out, and thank you so much for watching.